This video shows how to replace the upper level on a PowerEdge XR4520c sled. Before removing the upper level, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the XR4520c service manual at dell.com/support. In order to remove the upper level, you must first remove the PCI cover, any PCIe cards installed, and the expansion card riser. To remove the PCI cover, loosen the captive screw that secures it to the sled. Rotate the PCI cover outward and remove it from the chassis. To remove the expansion card riser, open the two blue PCI retention clips. Disconnect the riser power cable, then loosen the four captive screws that secure the riser to the sled. Holding the expansion card riser by the edges, lift it out of the sled. To remove the upper level, disconnect the signal cable from the power interposer board. Remove the four screws, securing the upper level to the lower level. Then lift the upper level away from the lower level. To install the upper level, pass the signal cable through and align the sled with the lower level below and set it in place. Then tighten the four screws that secure the upper level to the lower level. Next, connect the signal cable to the power interposer board. Then, route the cable through the guide to help avoid damaging the cable. To install the riser, align it with the riser slot on the sled and lower it in until firmly seated. Tighten the four captive screws to secure the riser to the sled. Connect the riser power cable. If any expansion cards were removed, reinstall them and secure the retention clips. To install the PCI cover, insert the end into the slot on the sled and rotate it into place. Then, tighten the captive screw that secures the cover to the chassis. For more information or support, visit dell.com/support.